Working through COVID-19 has indeed been quite a challenging time for all of us across the globe, including here in East Surrey Hospital. Whilst caring for patients who were away from families, a fear of inevitable fate and death looming over the future, and the fears of discouragement over the families. It has been quite a challenging time indeed for all of us, and in all honesty, I do believe the feeling of fear and discouragement needed to be chased out, and encouragement, support and care had to be infused. So whilst working in East Surrey Hospital amongst different teams and colleagues, I have experienced unity in diversity in providing care for these patients, which was a very heartwarming feeling for me. Witnessing relentless times of inspiration provided by the administration, seniors and allied healthcare professionals to care for these patients while adding a little bit of fun to an otherwise hectic schedule has inspired all of us to work as one team towards helping sustained patient well-being and health. In addition, the support provided by the community is truly commendable, and the commitment that they have shown to us as staff working here or as members of the healthcare group has been truly remarkable. But above all, we need to thank God, because it is He who carried us, sustained us and helped us through such a challenging scenario. And I would also like to thank those filming this video for all the effort that they put in to make this and to show it to the future generations as well, so that in the future, whenever they are faced with such kind of crisis, they would not lose courage but would feel strong and courageous to face these trials and overcome them successfully and do even better than what we were able to. Thank you.